Sup guys, so I want to show you one easy way of sound checking on talking drum, and this is one of the best way that you can play your talking drum if you want to sound check. Now this note is not your do, and this is the only way that you can give the sound engineer bass or bars and high frequency. It's not your do, this your do. You can share the difference. You see? Not. So if you want to sound check, don't go to your this place direct. This place is okay. Not. You see? And if you want to sound check also, you're going to strike with your finger, like your main finger. It will be hard on it. You see? You can say I'm eating it, and I'm not using force. I'm using finger and wrist.